Are you ready to revolutionize your blog writing game? Picture this: what if I told you that by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, you can not only write captivating blog articles but also earn a handsome income from it? Today, in this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to unveil the secret sauce to monetize your writing skills with the help of ChatGPT. Welcome back to the ChatGPT tutorial series, where we explore the endless possibilities of AI and learn how it can transform the way we create content. In this episode, we'll uncover the essential steps to writing profitable blog articles, all while harnessing the incredible power of ChatGPT. Before we begin, make sure to show us some love by smashing that like button, hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. Let's begin. First and foremost, you might be wondering, how can I actually earn money by writing blog articles? Well, the answer lies in an incredible platform called Fiverr. If you haven't heard of it before, Fiverr is one of the top websites where freelancers can sell their services, and it's an absolute goldmine for writers like you. You can sign up for free using the link in the description below. Here's what you need to do: simply head over to Fiverr and type in blog articles in the search bar. Instantly, you'll be presented with a plethora of listings from other sellers offering their writing services. Take a look at their offerings and be amazed by the range of prices. Some people are charging anywhere from $24 to $227 for just a 500-word article. And if you scroll a bit further down, this seller is charging a whopping $430 to write an article. Now, if you're a gifted writer, you can jump right into this lucrative side hustle. However, what if you don't possess the natural talent for writing or lack expertise in a particular subject? That's where ChatGPT comes to the rescue. Allow me to take you through a step-by-step tutorial to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? But first, for those who are new to ChatGPT, let me provide a quick overview of its capabilities. Think of ChatGPT as your ultimate assistant. You can ask it any question, and it will promptly provide you with an answer within seconds. Imagine you want to discover the top 5 best-selling books on leadership. Simply enter the prompt, "What are the top 5 best-selling books about leadership?" in ChatGPT, and within moments, it will generate a comprehensive list for you. Now that you have a glimpse of ChatGPT's remarkable abilities, let's delve into how we can leverage its incredible skills to earn money by writing blog articles. Step 1. Create an outline. Let's dive into a practical example to witness the remarkable capabilities of ChatGPT in crafting detailed and high-quality articles. Picture this: we have an exciting topic in mind: 10 habits of successful people. We start by typing this topic into the prompt and requesting ChatGPT to generate a blog article. After hitting enter, we receive an article, but it's noticeably brief. However, our goal is to create a truly comprehensive and in-depth piece. And with ChatGPT by our side, we can achieve exactly that. So, let's take it to the next level. To create an exceptional article that goes above and beyond, we kickstart the process by typing title, 10 habits of successful people, and then request ChatGPT to write an outline for a blog article. As soon as we make this request, ChatGPT works its magic and generates a detailed outline that serves as a roadmap for our blog post. This outline provides us with a structure and direction for our article, highlighting the key sections and their corresponding subtopics. It acts as a guide, ensuring that we cover all the essential aspects of the topic and present them in a coherent and engaging manner. With this outline in hand, we can proceed to expand on each section and delve deeper into the habits of successful people, creating a valuable resource for our clients. Step 2. Write the article. The first step is to transform the outline into fully fleshed out sections. We can start by asking ChatGPT to expand on this section for me and then highlighting the headings within section 1. By doing this, we prompt ChatGPT to provide more detailed content for each highlighted heading, bringing our article to life. With the assistance of ChatGPT, we now have a comprehensive introduction to our chosen topic. The generated introduction begins with a brief overview of the concept of success, providing a foundation for our readers to understand the broader context. Next, it explored the importance of habits in achieving success. Now, armed with this complete introduction, we can move forward with expanding on the remaining sections. As we proceed, we repeat the process for the remaining sections, continually asking ChatGPT to expand on the next section and highlighting the corresponding section titles. By following this iterative approach, we gradually build a comprehensive article with engaging content for each section. We continue this process until we reach the end of the article, expanding on each section one step at a time. With ChatGPT as our writing assistant, we can effortlessly create a well-structured and captivating piece, expanding on the initial outline and adding depth to each section. Step 3. Copy to a document. Once the entire article has been completed with the help of ChatGPT, it's a good practice to copy all the generated information into a Word document. This allows you to have a consolidated and easily accessible version of the article that you can present to your client. To copy the content from ChatGPT, you'll notice a clipboard icon located at the top right corner of each section. Simply click on the clipboard icon, and the respective section's content will be copied. You can then paste it into your Word document. Once you have the article in the Word document, you can further refine and edit it to make it more presentable and tailored to your client's requirements. You may want to format the text, adjust headings, add bullet points, or make any necessary revisions to ensure a polished and professional final version. So, in just 3 simple steps, generating, copying, and editing, you're ready to embark on your freelance writing journey and offer your expertise to clients seeking quality blog articles. In conclusion, harnessing the power of AI, such as ChatGPT, empowers us to create profitable blog articles effortlessly. Now, it's your turn. Have you tried using AI for content creation, and what are your thoughts on its potential? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. See you in the next video.